So in this session, after customizing our homepage, we want to head back to our dashboard, our WordPress dashboard, and then we want to head on to settings to customize our entire website. So here we need to change the site title to site title should be the domain name or the name of your brand. So this would be feel good. This would be feel good scent. Tagline would be best scent for women. All right, so we want to also add a site icon. So our site icon is added. We are good to go. So we're just going to go ahead and save changes here. So I'll go to Permalinks. Also, we'll be changing this permalink structure to just choose custom structure here, and then it's just going to be post name. All right, so instead we're choosing post name structure here. Next, we want to head to our product permalink, where instead of us having product slash sample product, we're just going to add sample product here. All right, so let's save changes. Okay, so that's it for customizing our entire site, right? The next thing we want to do is to set up our e-commerce or set up our WooCommerce settings so that we can start navigating to receive payments and also make sure that the checkout system is working correctly.